my face this morning. Like she crawled under the bed or slithered because she's a snake. What do you do?
I didn't do anything today.
Okay. Oh, did you hear that? It sounded like it came behind the door. I know he told us not to open it, but like, what if he's hurt or something? What the heck? Did you just kill that man?
What are you guys doing in here? I told you guys not to come in here, and now here we are. You guys are awake? I'll be you guys in a minute. Shut your You're looking at that guy over there. I know. I like you guys right now. Hey, I need to do something. I told you guys to open it. And now here we are. No one can stop me anymore. Time to kid.
Put your hands up.
The police?
No. Put up.
What do you need to do about it, huh? I can
Put the
slice
knife
you.
down.
I can slice you right now.
Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
You gotta pay.
Get yourself away from the gun knife. Get away from the saw. Is anyone still alive? No? Oh, there's so many and clean this all up. This is so terrifying.